Today we're going to go over building a Mosin Nagant replica for a Metal Gear Solid The End cosplay. We start with a second-hand authentic Mosin Nagant stock that has some wear and tear, and take a 3D CAD model of the Mosin Nagant's action and clean it up for 3D printing. Finally, after a half-dozen failures, we had a usable print. After we pulled the action off the 3D printer, we had to remove a lot of plastic. We printed the action on a raft for support, not adhesion, so there was a decent amount of cleanup required.
Like a glove.
Here you can see an indentation on the rifle stock where the original action would have ended. You can tell we got our scaling right because the front of the 3D print lines up perfectly. We begin fitting the barrel. It's made out of copper and a steel pipe. We decided to contour the barrel with pipe fittings we modified to slip over the pipe and to stop at the end. Once we get our measurements, we will cut the pieces down to size and braze the whole thing together into a single piece. The contour we were going with was close, but not exact to the original specification, so we had to remove some wood from the stock. We didn't have a chisel available, so we just went with using an old Craftsman screwdriver. Here you can see us brazing what will become the back of the bolt for the rifle. We sanded down a wooden dowel so we could give the screws we will be using to hold everything together something extra to bite into. Some modifications were required to affix the scope to the side of the rifle. Good job. Time to take a break and glue that back on. Fully assembled, it looked good and ready for a paint job. Before we started painting, we cleaned up all the surface irregularities with Bondo and a lot of sanding. For more information and a full write-up, check out the links in the description.